I'm at the final segment of this end-to-end data engineering project where we carry out the pipeline testing. We have created all the components starting from the source, migrated the data from the source to the Azure Data Factory, prepared the data, transformed it using Azure Databricks, did the loading and also the reporting. What I need to do now is to carry out an update at the on-prem server, let's say to add a new role. Once I do that, it will be copied into ADL Gen 2. Those changes will reflect on the layers, layer 1 and layer 2, containing the source and the transform data from there to the Azure Synapse Analytics to the Power BI. The first thing I need to do is to create the trigger in the Azure Data Factory to trigger the changes made on the on-prem server. Let's go to the Azure Data Factory. As you can see, all the pipelines are working. So I go over to Add Trigger to create a new trigger. I click New. It takes me to this page. I click Choose Trigger. I create a new one. I rename this Trigger underscore Schedule. Description, not necessary. Trigger type, I choose scheduled trigger. We have other options, tumbling windows, storage events, custom events, but I choose scheduled type trigger. Start date, I want it to start today. Time zone, so automatically selected my time zone, but wherever you are, you can just select your time zone. Recurrence, when do you want the trigger to trigger? Once a day is ideal, so I choose once in a day. Execute at this time, yes. I choose 9. Immediately it's 9:01, the trigger will commence. Specify an end date, I leave it as it is. Start trigger now, it's already enabled by default. Yes, I click OK. Now it takes me to this page, trigger run parameters. The pipeline has no parameters, yes. We didn't create any parameter for it, so I click OK. Publish or to save the changes made, publish. Let me go over to the on-prem SQL Server to do the update. I'm in the SQL Server. I'm going to do the update using customer table. I'm going to add a row. Click this, select top 1000. I go to the Power BI. This is the total number of customers. By the time I add new rows, it will automatically reflect here. Back to the SQL Server. I've already created the script. This is the script. Let me run the script. As you can see, it's successful. New row added. Let me add a new row again to make it 2. Let me execute the second row. The second row executed successfully. I've added 2 rows in the customer table. Let me go back to the Azure Data Factory to trigger it. After triggering it, we should have 849. Showing that it has been updated. If I go to the monitor to monitor the trigger, you can see it's not triggered yet because it's not yet time. It is now time. Let me refresh. As you can see, it's in progress. Let me go over to the pipeline to monitor the progress. It's running. The trigger is successful. It has successfully updated the pipeline. Let me go over to the Power BI. I have 847. Let me refresh. As you can see, the figure has changed from 847 to 849. The pipeline testing is successful. This means that our end-to-end data engineering pipeline is working as expected. I have completed the end-to-end data engineering project, starting from the source, from data ingestion to data transformation, to data loading, to data reporting. Everything I have covered here is the foundation of the real-time Azure Data Engineering project. I hope this demonstration is useful. Please like, share, and subscribe for others to benefit as well. I'm going to cover other areas of Azure Data Engineering field. Click the notification button so that you will be duly notified whenever I make a new video. Thank you for watching. See you in my next video.